didn't see you there. Obviously, it's because you're late. But wait, you're grade 12. You know how it works by now. Anyway, congratulations, and don't be late to that first job or that first day of university. Congrats.
Well, in the zombie apocalypse, I wouldn't want to fight Martel, so I'd probably team up with him, just so he doesn't kill me.
I would agree. You know, he can grow a big beard, so I feel like it's always helpful. You know, just intimidating. Just looking at that thing, you're like, damn, that thing's huge. You know?
Definitely Mr. Stelkich. Man's a wizard. I mean, he knows everything about the outdoors.
And then probably Heidelberg.
Heidelberg for sure.
Yeah.
He looks like he could like pick up anything and just throw it at zombies. Like,
yeah. I'm gonna say Tony Lucas, just because he's an animal.
Oh, I definitely do Carter because he seems a little bit trigger happy.
I would go with McCain because she's kind of short but seems muscular. So I feel like that would be good.
Miss Menza because of the potions, for sure.
I would go with Miss White because she has kids, so she would fight for us.
Without a doubt, Senor OP, just because she gets it, right? She's pretty relatable and really nice, and I've had her every year except for grade 9, I think.
Mr. Matthew, because like he's literally like my dad, so.
Senora, because of Margarita Mondays.
Miss Mensa, she's just always there, you know.
Senora OP, because she's a sweetie, but we gotta give an honorable mention to Freddie, because he's seen a lot of stuff.
Miss White, because she is honest and very funny.
You know what? I'm a bit biased, but I'll have to say Miss Mensa. Just the dead inside face she makes every day it touches my heart.
Quit being such an idiot.
In grade 9, I just hated every moment of being in high school.
I think we all did.
And in grade 10, I tried to be someone who I wasn't. I tried to be cooler, and then at the summer I realized just be yourself, have fun, and it'll all work out. You start hanging out with the coolest guys ever. And
that's sad.
Make me cry. Yeah. Make me cry.
Don't waste your time on irrelevant things. Cherish the time you have in high school because it's the best years of your life.
Yeah.
Let me do it.
I think like it was probably a week ago. Yeah, April Fools. I went into Bobby Matthews' class, blew an air horn.
In grade 11, in Mr. Carter's class, there was a sub one day, and we had a quiz, and I told the sub, Mr. Carter usually lets us work in groups on the quiz.
Saying I had a dentist appointment like every second day, and just going home and sleeping. Did that a lot.
It was like grade 9.
Ooh. That ranges from country all the way to like rap, and then we're just in the in-between.
I like to listen to Cardi B in the car.
Ooh,
I'm country all the way, but I'm dissed by that. I like Cardi B.
I would say Young Blood by Noah Kahan. That's a good one.
That's a good one. Anything Cardi B, I'm down.
But like anything throwback as well. Like anything
yeah,
like that's my jam.
Yeah, that's good
That's
too.
true.
Probably Freaks from grade 10 to grade 12, and Tipsy, the club mix by Quan. Something Quan.
Those are classics. Mobamba.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
What the I was going Soviet.
Definitely foods, because Miss Klatt was the bomb, and we got to make lots of good food. So that's something I think I can carry out like outside of high school. It's one of the only classes that I'll use.
Mine was probably Miss Frost's grade 11 sports med class because it was all girls in there and we had some good times in there.
Our grade 10 science class with Mr. Sawchuk because that's the last class we remember not stressing in. So.
Or Tony Licks' class.
Or
yeah, Miss
you didn't do anything
Frost's
there,
sports medicine class. That was pretty freaking.
Definitely bio.
Yeah, definitely
I think
bio.
Taylor would think
not
otherwise.
really. Not bio.
But with
any class but bio. I loved bio.
bio was so good.
Hey, grad class of 2019. It's been an absolute pleasure teaching you guys. I want you to think of life is real simple. There's 3 cups. This is your family and friends cup. This is your faith. For me, that's my science and my faith in God. And then the 3rd cup is your fire, what drives you. Many times, your family and friends fill up your other cups and you've got to share. Sometimes my faith, which is my science, like I said before, like my science, will feed into one of the other cups, or it's this cup which is the fire that drives you. Every one of these is a part of your life, and you should enjoy and be with your friends because you need to share and spend some time with your family and friends, and sometimes you give a little bit this way, sometimes it goes that way. Life is simple, guys. Enjoy your life. Bye.
This is it. End of the line. The last time I walked through the front doors, it's going to be a sad day.
It's going to be a sad day. Yeah.